Hi. Oh. Okay, well, my throat hurts really bad. Where the fuck? My hair came out really nice and it's just down, which is weird. I'm gonna be over it most likely anyways. So. Hi. I didn't vlog yesterday. I'm gonna be alone at school today, so I might not vlog. My throat hurts so bad. That's not good. Oh, the water's gonna be so cold. I woke up with so much energy, I don't know why. Ugh. I have like acquaintances at school, but I don't like hanging out with them. Does that make sense? Like, I'd rather be alone than hang out with these other people because I cannot make small talk with you. I left my glasses in my room. Okay. So weird. We turned on the Christmas tree last night and it's off right now. That's the only part of my day that I enjoy. We're out of other almond milk. My room is a mess. I didn't wear my Air Force Ones yesterday. I wore Vans because I wore Adidas pants and I wouldn't want to wear Nike with Adidas. I'm just wearing this huge hoodie thingy and my Nike sweats. Okay. That's the fit. I'm already over today. I thought because like Riley's not coming in and whatever, it's just I don't know. I'm glad I only have 2 weeks left and next week I have finals. I only have 1 day of normal school and then 3 days of finals and then no school Friday. I need to drink coffee. Oh, a beanie. I wanted to try a beanie with this outfit. Oh, that doesn't look bad. Yeah, we're gonna leave it. I feel more comfortable with myself with a beanie. Sort of like a hoodie. I feel like I can conquer the world in a hoodie. Look at my nails, they're getting too long. Yeah, I don't like how long they are. Even though they're not that long, I don't like it. Alright, now let's go get all my stuff. I left all of my stuff in the dining room. I didn't want to pack it up last night. I did my homework. I need to finish this homework. Oh my god. Okay, I left my phone over here because my answers are on the phone. I'm done. I didn't finish it, but I only didn't answer 3 questions, so I'll probably just ask for the answers. It is 5:47, so I'm gonna go take my daily picture of my outfit because I have taken a picture of my outfit every single day this year. So I make it a point to take a picture of it every single day, and if I miss it, I get one at school. Does that make sense? I'm anal that way, and I need to know. Like, I look back at my outfits, I'm like, oh, this outfit was cute, and I have like a school folder. And it's also showing how like my outfits have progressed through the years, so that's kind of cool. I'm on my phone. How far are you?
My stomach, it hurts. Do you eat a lot of...
I got 2 chips, baked and puffs, because puffs sounded good, and then baked because they're just really good, and I didn't get a drink, so I'm probably gonna die.
Why the depressing music? I don't know. I don't want to see it come out, dude.
Can't
can't do it.
I literally almost ate this whole bag. Okay.
Okay, no. Oh, what? Say hi.
Hi.
Oh wow, the lighting out here is nice. Period.
I'm not spelling.
That's it.
That one.
Grandma's robe.
Do you hear my kids? I can't see them, but I can hear them.
Oh yeah, definitely. They never stop.
They never stop.
My phone zooms in so much. I'm literally in your nose.
Oh my god, this one's so small. He needs the little one, but not that little. I'll look on Amazon. Amazon.
It's raining. Oh, I'm gonna go record that.
Ew, I look disgusting. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.
Shut up! Shut up! ¿A quién estás diciendo shut up? ¿A mí estás diciendo shut up?
My sisters are being really annoying for no reason. I'm making this ramen. Me and my mom are gonna share it. I'm gonna put gochujang in it. I just felt like something spicy and I don't want all of it, so I'm sharing it with my mom. Oh, battery's dying. It is Friday night, hence the more coffee. I made a coffee like an hour ago. My parents drank it already, so. I'm about to clean the kitchen because it's dirty. And I also got Spotify Premium and I borrowed $10 from my mom. So I'm cleaning. Wow. I haven't worn my hair up like in a ponytail and so I'm gonna give you a before and after. I'm gonna give you a before and after of the kitchen. I'm exposing.
Oh.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding?
Oh my god.
If anyone can do this, you can do this. You can do this. You can do this.
My goal.
You know what time it is? You know, if you're not going to, you know where you're going.
It's clean. I just have to put the dishes away, but I'm too lazy to dry them. And then my coffee cup and my water cup. Hi. I'm eating baked hot Cheetos. Turn off that light. Yeah, you can. And watching The Office. It's like 9, 10. I have homework that I just have to type my essay. I have an hour till I want to do it. Me and Puma are gonna hang out in my room probably, so there'll be footage of that out as well. What time is it? What time is it? Okay. What time is it? What the? Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:06 p.m.
10:06. Are you asleep? No. Oh.
I just waved my hand.
Okay, so I'm literally just revising an essay, so I was like, I can just sit here and do it because I'm almost done. Like, I just have to write the conclusion. It's the necklace.
I want to see. I want one.
Okay, so it's really late in the video, but hi. I have a sponsorship, and it's for this jewelry company, and they were really nice, and they reached out to me, and it's called, I really hope I'm not pronouncing it wrong, yafeini custom jewelry. And it came in the box, but my mom opened it really ugly. So, but it came with this little bag inside of it, so like if you wanted it to be a gift, it could be a gift.
That's cute.
So they come in like, you know how my mom has the spicy one? It comes in like, you can make any like name or anything you wanted to say. Bar necklace and bar bracelets. I got a bar necklace, and there's also rings, earrings, and all that stuff. And there's also photo necklaces, so you could put any picture you want.
That's cute.
Chains are adjustable for 16, 18, and 20. And it comes in 3 colors. Yellow gold, rose gold, and white gold. But this is the one I got. I wanted to open it on camera, so I waited until tonight to do it. Oh, I'm opening it. The packaging is really nice, like the box. Okay, there you go. That was, oh my god, it comes with a little polishing cloth.
That's cute.
This is literally my first impression of it. I just got it. Okay. And I actually was gonna order one of these, and then I saw my email. I was like, really not. Oh, it feels good.
Is it?
Feel it.
You feel
That's
fancy.
like some real metal. Like, I won't even turn green from this, it feels like.
Oh, it says Pat.
Yeah, I know.
It has a sad face on it.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so this is it. Oh, there you go. It says pack right there. And then on the back, it has a sad face. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is actually really nice. And look, you can take this off. So like you can take off the adjustable of it. I'm gonna put it on. So that's really cool that it comes with a polishing cloth. So it comes with like a bunch of, like when I was on the website's also really nice and easy to find the stuff. Like they have sections for everything. And yeah, this is really nice. I'll have a link in the description for the store. I'm not forcing you to buy it, but it's really nice quality. It's also like good for like gifts and stuff. So if you have a significant other or like your family or something, you can get them like a very cute, what's that called? Meaningful. It's like a meaningful gift. It could be a meaningful gift because you could write anything on here. Like, I didn't think that they were going to be able to put a sad face on it, and they literally put a sad face on the back. That's iconic. So they sent this to me free for a sponsorship, but I think I'm gonna get another one that says pack, you know? And Puma might get one too, and if my mom wants something else too, and I'm gonna look at their earrings. It's a good price for the quality. Like, you can feel it, and for the quality, it's a good price. Obviously, by the colors, the price goes up, but that's to be expected. Let's continue on with the vlog. We're gonna watch The Office right now. Here.
It even has a little polishing thing. Right?
I'm gonna go to bed. I'm ending it right here because I'm tired. I can't even keep my eyes open right now. So I'm gonna put on my Curology and I'm going to bed.